Top 10 headaches of sorority chapter leaders. 1. Sisters rarely RSVP to invitations for their chapter events, or they forget to go. And if they can't go, they don't bother to find a replacement. 2. It's hard to get sisters to respond to their sorority emails or texts. 3. Managing study points is cumbersome, and sisters forget to keep it current. 4. Sisters rarely make any suggestions as to what events they want. 5. Sisters rarely take the time to respond to emails that require thoughtful feedback. 6. Informal phone conversations are impossible as no one has anyone else's phone number. 7. Sending a quick personal email to another sister you want to get to know is hard if you don't have ready access to her email. 8. Informal polling and voting at meetings takes up a big chunk of everyone's very valuable time, detracting from the fun informal conversations they want to enjoy. 9. Sisters are forever calling chapter presidents, asking the same question over and over when they can't find the sorority information they need on Facebook. This adds up to dozens of time-consuming calls per week. 10. Sisters don't seem to feel connected to one another or serious about their oaths. Confidentiality is not taken seriously. If you recognize any of these challenges in your chapter, you probably want to know about First Touch for Sororities. It's a small tool that creates big changes in sorority cultures, for the better. Guaranteed. It's also easy to use, and it's free. That's why there are already 50,000 registered users of First Touch, including sororities, fraternities, school clubs, and athletic teams. And why a full 92% of current First Touch users surveyed would recommend the First Touch app to their friends. Google Analytics tells us that 82% of First Touch users are on the app at least once per day, and 92% use the app at least every 36 hours. That's better than Facebook. Don't miss this opportunity to build the tight-knit sorority your sisters really want. Like everything else in life, it requires the right tools. So check out firsttouchsorority.com. And remember, change always starts at the top.